Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Messenger. Welcome to this channel. Today we're here in Milimani. We are showcasing this 5-bedroom mansionette which is for sale, and I want to show you around. So it's going for 80 million Kenyan shillings. It has a title deed, and then it is in 1 acre, and it's going for 80 million Kenyan shillings for 1 acre. So it has very beautiful views of Lake Nakuru as well as Nakuru CBD. You can be able to see it from right here. So I want to show you around, and if you're new here, you can consider subscribing to the channel because you'll be able to see more of this content in this YouTube channel. So currently I'm not going to show the inside because of course there is someone living inside, but I'll just show you the outside. But when you come to the site, in case you're interested and you might want to come and see it, you can come and see it from the inside, but we're not going to show it for now. So this is the entire space. You see where we have Kayava there, that's where the land enter. So I'm going to take you around, all around the entire house. So this is the house. Let me show you around. So it's a mansionette. So guys, let me take you to the front of this house. Let me show you the front of this house, which is going for 80 million Kenyan shillings here in Milimani in Nakuru. So let me show you the front of this 5-bedroom mansionette, which is in 1 acre. It's a very big piece of land. So if you're looking for such parcel of land, you might want to consider this one. So that's how it's looking. It's very big. Actually, the camera is somehow unable to capture the whole piece of house. It's a mansionette. Then you can see the neighborhood. Look at that neighborhood. And you can be able to see the lake from here and Nakuru CBD as well. So I want to go down there so that I can be to give you an aerial view of the entire place. And then there is this perimeter wall that subdivides to separate that other piece of land and this one. So that's the house. Look at it. 5-bedroom. It's very, very huge. So it needs some renovations, because normally, actually, that's a deal for Milimani. So that's the house. Even though in a car, this is the only angle it could be able to fit in the camera. So for 80 million Kenyan shillings, this is what you get here. Yeah. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section about this property, which is going for 80 million Kenyan shillings here in Nakuru Milimani. So this is a walking distance from here to Nakuru CBD. Incoming. Okay. Mm. So, mtu anaona vizuri tauni yote mpaka lake. Mtu anaona vizuri mpaka nini tawana, mtu anaiona ikiwa hapa kama iko hapa. Jamaa. Ndo hiyo building. Nice.
Lake view pale kama mlima Katoliki ile zamani ilikuwa inaitwa Lake view. Pale Lake mlima pale hapo ile hiyo. Ni Lake view hapo. Halafu imeshikana na restaurant na
Nzuri sana. Ndio maana wa MP wananunua hii zaidi.
Pale analeta kila mahali akienda. Hii town kama ameingia kila estate.
So guys,
kuna boys peke yake hapa.
Unauliza kwa nini unauza? Kama unataka kufanya project
bana. Hii nyumba ilikuwa ya babangu.
Sasa kila mtu anataka share yake.
Alipoenda mama akachukua. Sasa mama alienda, sasa ni sisi. Sasa
na nyinyi wote hamwezi ishi.
Kila mtu ajipange
na pesa yake.
Akajua vile kuliko sasa tukaage hapa tukisema hatuki. Nilipo ndio mzuri.
Kila mtu apate share yake.
Mtu akae
For 80 million Kenyan shillings, you secure this parcel, this house, and the entire 1 acre here in Milimani Nakuru. Actually, it's near a very nice school, known as Kipepeo. I don't know, most of you in Nakuru might know Kipepeo School. It's one of the best schools here in Nakuru. I think it's an international school. So it's just around Kipepeo School. So if you might be looking for a house, specifically in Milimani, within the budget of 80 million Kenyan shillings, you might want to consider this. And one thing about Milimani is that lands here are not sold under a half an acre. I don't know whether most of you know that when you're buying land in Milimani, legally, it's not allowed. It's actually, lands are not divided in less than the least land you can buy here. In this area, we don't have 50 by 100, I don't know, 40 by 80, no. Legally, the least land that you can buy here is a half. So for this one, it's an acre going for 80 million Kenyan shillings. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this property. Let me know, would you buy here? Would you consider living here? Let me know in the comment section. So this video, my name is Masinjeri. I bring you real estate around Nakuru and beyond. So if you're looking for a property within the budget of 80 million Kenyan shillings, specifically an acre here in Milimani, it's just a walking distance to Nakuru CBD. So it's going for 80 million Kenyan shillings. So if you've not subscribed to the channel and you love this kind of content, maybe this is your time to subscribe. You can consider subscribing because we bring you more real estate content, more travel videos, and more Airbnb's tours. So until next time, I'm gonna see you in the next one. For now, it's a bye-bye.